Alright, this is how you use a downstream injector bypass system. So the way this is going to work, we have our, and pardon all this hose over here, but we have our regular whip line coming off, and then we've got the outlet of it. We put our regular set of pressure hose from the hose reel, or even directly through the hose reel if there wasn't that much hose on it. That's going to be our outlet. In order to get chemical, we close that. You put in your soft wash tip, so your 2540, your 1540, and it'll start pulling chemical through here. When you don't want chemical anymore, you can either switch to a 2515, and that'll reduce the back pressure and it'll be fine, or you can open this up and you'll get all your water flow coming out the other side. This works just like an X-Jet but the big thing is that you'll be pulling soap through here. You don't have to take it out of the bucket. You don't have to bring a bucket around. You leave this on the truck. Again, that will pull soap. That will stop pulling soap. Realize too that if you've got 200 feet of hose, when you stop pulling soap, you have 200 feet of soap in your hose that has to be used up before you get to water. Same thing vice versa. So if we're ready to go ahead and start pulling soap, we can go ahead. We got just a tiny bit left to rinse. We can go ahead and close that. That'll start pulling soap. So you've got about 20 to 30 seconds of water, maybe 15 seconds, and then you'll be back to chemical. So if you're getting ready to be done soaping, you can go ahead and open that up, finish soaping with what's still left in your line, and then switch over to high pressure or to be able to rinse with just water.